Why do some muscle cars sound like they're barely running? This is because they are cammed, which means they have a performance-based camshaft. What's the difference between a performance camshaft and a regular camshaft? Well, a camshaft controls three things about how our engine operates. It controls how long our valves are open, how far open they go, and at what time they open. And a performance camshaft will change these three things aggressively. So as we know, our camshaft has lobes. So by changing the position or the size of these lobes, we can make our camshaft more aggressive. So the bigger these lobes are, the further the valves will open. The wider these lobes are, the longer they'll stay open. And the position of these lobes will change at what time our valves open.